I'm going to give you a brief overview of the Vantage compensation plan for the Wellness 360 program. As you're going to see, it's incredibly lucrative. The program itself is designed for businesses with 50 or more W-2 employees who have health insurance. In order to be successful, you need to have a high degree of professionalism, a warm market, or the ability to develop a warm market. The examples I'm going to show you here today are for illustrative purposes only. The basis of how you get paid is on what we call PEPM, per employee per month. So for every single company you bring in, again with 50 or more employees, you're going to get 20 to 50 PEPM per month for 12 months. And even after that, you still receive a small residual PEPM for the next 3 years. Let's imagine that you're just getting started as a junior consultant, and your enroller, Jill, is a president. You go out and get a fast start and bring in a company with 1,070 employees. We refer to these as lives. As you rank up, think of your rank as buckets you need to fill in order to go to the next one. Whether you bring in multiple companies or one big one, the rank up works the same way. The compensation system always looks upline to pay the spread between what the referrer earns and the upline earns. Multiple people can earn spread all the way up to the maximum payout of 50 PEPM. For the purposes of our example, we'll keep it simple and assume that Jill has reached the top and she's your only upline. So based on your 1,070 life deal, the first 250 lives fill the junior consultant bucket. The referral bonus for 250 lives at 20 PEPM would be $5,000 a month or $60,000 for the entire year. The system will look upline, and if the first person it finds is Jill, it'll pay her the spread between her rank of president and your rank of junior consultant. In this scenario, Jill would earn $30 spread on each life, equal to $7,500 a month, or to put it into an even more exciting equation, $90,000 a year. But you aren't done yet. We've only used 250 of the 1,070 lives. The next bucket, of the consultant rank, is also filled with 250 lives. You'll earn $5,625 a month or $67,500 a year. The system again looks upline and pays Jill the spread of $2,750, $6,875 a month, equal to $82,500 a year. Given that we've only filled 2 buckets with a total of 500 lives, the next bucket also fills with 250 more. Now you're the rank of senior consultant, and at this rank, you'll earn 25 PEPM on these lives, totaling $75,000 a year. Once again, the system will look upline and will pay Jill a spread of 25 PEPM, and she'll also earn $75,000 a year. With 320 lives left, the next bucket, the rank of junior sales manager, is also filled, and you earn $6,875 a month or $82,500 a year. And Jill gets the spread, $2,250, which earns her a monthly referral bonus of $5,625 or $67,500 a year. Because you filled your junior sales manager bucket and you still have 70 lives left, this will cross the line for the sales manager rank, and those last 70 lives will earn you $2,100 a month for another $25,200 a year. Jill, incredibly excited she introduced you to the Vantage program, will earn 20 PEPM on this and make another $16,800 over the next year. In total, you will have earned $310,200 over a 12-month period, and Jill will have earned $331,800. Safe to say, she'll owe you more than dinner, and I imagine smiles all around. The best part about all of this, though, is aside from the referral bonus you've earned, is that your next rank is already partially filled, and whatever rank you ended up with is where you're going to begin filling buckets on your next deal. And once a rank is earned, you have it. Remember, it's a lifetime rank. As people rank up beneath you, the spreads will of course become smaller, and we have 2 additional bonuses to encourage good culture and leadership. First is the team bonus. No matter how high the people you sponsored into the Vantage program rise in their ranks, you will always earn a $3 PEPM per month on all of the businesses they refer, even if they surpass you in rank. In our previous example, it means Jill is earning even more. She'll get $3 PEPM per month on the 1,070 life deal you referred to Oasis. This sponsorship bonus is also paid 2 more levels deep at 1 PEPM. Like the direct bonus and the spread bonuses, these are also 12-month payouts. The last part of the bonus, which is not yet implemented, is the global bonus. And the entire goal here, guys, is we want you to encourage your people to rank up. So if you're doing a great job and your team is ranking up, we want to reward leadership. Those of you who are team builders, who are putting together teams that are potentially racing by you in the rank chart or leveling up to your level and cutting you out of the spread. Well, we certainly don't want to discourage that sort of behavior. So what Vantage is doing over the next several months is analyzing all of the data from all of the deals we bring in, and we're going to take an additional 5 PEPM out of every single deal, and we're going to pay the best builders with a global bonus pool. The intention is these checks will be large, but it's going to take a little bit of time in order to get enough data together to determine exactly how the program is going to work. Thank you for your interest in the program. I encourage you to go through this training. Every deal in the Vantage Oasis Wellness 360 program is very lucrative. Take the time, develop your skill, develop your warm market, and good luck out there. And I wish you the greatest success.